Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to share about marketing tips. How to make money, how to drive traffic with free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video, I'm going to focus on Instagram. Instagram is other than Facebook. This is the second largest social media platform you can tap into. So I take a look at what is the 10 Instagram trends that you know in 2021. Let's take a look at this article. The number one Instagram story. The background of Instagram marketer. Instagram story will continue to be a key component of Instagram influencer marketer. And the number two, usage of reach on Instagram expected to raise. Instagram race launched in August 2020 may start gaining traction soon and become TikTok's direct competitor in 2021. And you can create and edit short 15-second video and you will also it is also available in 50 countries. And also the number three, Instagram live on at the peak of this pandemic. Instagram live usage skyrocketed 70% and will continue to be popular in 2021. And the number four, in-app shopping trending on Instagram. 70% of shoppers use Instagram for product discovery, and 130 million users tap on its shopping post every month to learn more. If you are Shopify and e-commerce story, you can use this platform to post your product. Instagram story, Instagram Explore tab. Over half of all Instagram accounts use the Explore feature at least once a month. Number six, TikTok, Twitter, and give the content trending on Instagram. Cross-platform content from other social media channels, including TikTok, Twitter, will feature more on Instagram. Use of the brand AR feature. Branded AR feature on Instagram have been used by more than 1 billion people since it went public and will go mainstream on Instagram. Number 8, cross-stone post to continue trending on Instagram. Cross-stone, nearly 1 in half Instagram posts today are published as cross-stone posts. A picture prints 1,000 words, so images multiple picture and or video or combination of both can do that. How you can make use of this both the post and video. This is also to empower the cross-stone post. Number 9, Instagram social cause feature. Instagram has announced a free fundraiser feature for users to raise money for personal causes or continue to existing one. IGTV takes center stage. Instagram now allows users to start making money with IGTV with the use of X. This is also the 10 different trends you will notice on Instagram 2021. And when I start, because I'm not a failure with Instagram, I'm just getting started. And one of my members, one of my Facebook a Facebook group member tell me, and you can take a look at this program. You will do that step by step and how to make money with Instagram. So I take a look with this program. This program is called Gram. Let's take a look at this sales page on what is it called. It's also today Gram. Today you are on 3 simple steps away from the unique system that allow you to generate 182 every day using free traffic of Instagram. Even biggest newbie can do that. You don't need an email list. You don't need paid traffic. Works in any niche other than make money online, and you can work health and fitness, personal development, fashion, sport. There's also every niche you can tap into. This is also a very useful friendly, newbie friendly, free traffic method, and also they included a 6 video case study how to make money with this program. No monthly fee, 247 income stream, beta test assistant, and you can tap into that. Let's take a look at what is inside the members area. And inside the members and when you tap into this inside the members area, first of all you will tap into the welcome video and watch it before you understand the power of Instagram. They also included two sections. The main section Instagram training. The second section is about make money with Instagram. Conclusion. This also included about the main section is how to set up everything inside this program. And about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 80. This also about this also about is about in a total about is 21 video training you can tap into all about what I like is about this just for 1 hour training and you can tap into that and different step just for 2 to 3 minutes you can easily to digest and how to tap into you can just simply follow the step by step and you can easily to set up and everything inside in your on your Instagram account. The first of all introduction to Instagram training Instagram overview setting up your account to Instagram mobile app this is also you can see that Instagram mobile app Instagram profile setup is also very important if you have more and eye-catching profile and then also to attract more people to follow up when they are interested in your profile and they are likely to tap into the mobile. This is also how you make money with your mobile your Instagram bio profile privacy how to add multiple money links on to Instagram and you can see that if you have the Instagram they are just allow you for one link you can tap into but this one link you can for promote anything that you want but how you would best use of this bio how to make and add multiple money link and this is also a powerful tool that you powerful video you use to tap into building your email list with Instagram opt-in form integration when you have all of them digital marketer the first of all is to build your email list and you can use your bio to email list but if you want to tap into you don't have to pay anything other additional cost for to build your landing page because some page builder such and ClickFunnels and lead pages they will charge the money there but you can have auto response such they recommend is to use the GetResponse and GetResponse and also have the integration how to and opt-in form that you to help you to build your list so you don't have to pay extra cost to have your opt-in list to build your email list on your Instagram you just get into GetResponse and you have the opt-in page opt-in form integration to build your email list making a connection on Instagram recommended content creation tools such as auto they will recommend the Canva is free to use creating video and on Instagram desktop one part 2 creating screenshot for Instagram also included for desktop they also video creation if you have a mobile how to create a video on mobile taking mobile screenshot deciding profitable image and post done for you this also included the part 1 and part 2 and I wanted to tap you the post one done for you offer this also you can this is one of the upsell and I would review that to what is the upsell as well and they will get them and you will get them over they will get them over 6,000 done for you Instagram post so you don't have to you will get 6,000 ready to use the Instagram post in 10 seconds and you can tap some of the sample that you can tap into so this also you will save tons of the hour work how to ready to post before if you have 6,000 get ready to use the Instagram post and you can post 3 or 4 posts and you have 6,000 and you can use more than one year that is also to save you hundreds of hours of work this is also a very awesome and how creating an Instagram the highlight Instagram story post Instagram post part 2 and also the final work about the Instagram story post This is also just for the about over 16 minutes for 21 video training to teach you how to set up everything inside on your Instagram account. The section 2 is making money with Instagram. They also include 6 case study. The first of all, $151 with CPA pay days with Instagram and Max Bounty. The Max Bounty CPA is cost per action. When the Instagram visitor your visitor and they don't have a just and cost per action. Just simply the simple task and enter the email address and you will get paid. Max Bounty is one of the powerful and CPA network you should tap into. Other than that, you can tap into other CPA network. There's a ton of other CPA network you can tap into. The second case study, growing and monetizing Instagram account with Instagram Box. The third, the feed and then the feed and case study, selling Instagram account for $100 to $300. And the fourth, get paid $147 per post, even with a small audience. This is a very powerful. You can how just at a Steam audience, how you can get paid for over $100 per day. Make $450 per post. This is also audio Instagram hack. This is also specific for this audio hacks and how you can tap into that. $100 per day with Instagram. This what Instagram box automation and influencer is also you can include how you make money with Instagram case study in order to 1, 2, 3. It also included up to 6 case study you can tap into. It also included inclusion and conclusion. If you this also included 6 upgrade and you can 5 upgrade and Grand Plan Pro is $27 done for you and I showed you before and $47 and Instagram instant authority profile booster 147 and coaching for $77. Resell why this is also you can sell it and keep 100% for commission $97. It also included a free traffic and 5 free traffic you can tap into. It also included a special and nice posters. The first of all, you may know what is the price and upsell as well. They want to you want to tap into what is the price for the front end. Let's take a look what's the price. So the front end is for Gram is just $9.45. This Gram will teach your listener how to harness the power of Instagram and Instagram story to make thousands of dollars a month. It also will include 1 hour over the shoulder training and 6 case study from leading internet marketer who made up to $5,000 in the past month with Instagram just for under $10. This is no brainer. You can grab it for just for fun and you can see in the inside the member server you will get much valuable training how to tap into and also how to make money with 6 different and case study and also the OTO2 OTO1 Gram Pro this is also $27 but also take help downsell for $70. You can grab it. This is the upgrade of a course that will contain over 20 advanced video module to bring your business to the next level with Instagram. Pro version contain more in-depth training included e-commerce, Zipper integration, affiliate marketing, profile promotion, and much more. You can grab it for $70 for downsell. Okay, this is also the O2O done for you $47, but you can grab it. They also have to come with a downsell $27 just for $27. Give your customer your over 6,000 Instagram templates included motivational inspiration course for make money online entrepreneur and business and extra and you can tap into for over 6,000 Instagram template you can tap into how much money and you just for downsell $27 you will save tons of hour if you want to decide the Instagram post for yourself. So I highly recommend that you can grab into OTO1 and 2. OTO3 is all the profile poster 147. They also have come with $97 downsell. Your customer will be able to boost your Instagram profile with over 1,000 followers. How to profile with over 1,000 followers, 200 likes and 50 comments, all completely done for them with no extra work. This will give them a social proof, engagement, and more visibility. These are not blog posts, but actual real profile if you are new and you will want to and how to make your profile more booster and then will do everything for you. You will how to and make your Instagram for at least over 1,000 follower, 200 likes and more 50. Everything is done for you and you don't have to put your banner. It's not a bot list. You can tap it for $97 if you want to. They do everything for you. OTO4 is a coaching $70. You will get a 1 hour one-to-one coaching conversation a cooperation whereby can get the Instagram account reviewed by me, discussed by the stumbling box that they are having the product and report on just ask anything they want about the internet marketing. OTO gram if you sell $97, you can grab it for $67. You will keep 100% of the profit where you resell this grams to friends, family and emails or social media. Buy the social media and join it will bump up your 100% commission and also through the entire sales. It is also the in short you will buy this reseller and you keep 100% commission for over no matter it's upsell or downsell of front end. You will keep 100% commission as your own product. But in my opinion, I highly recommend that you can grab Pro because you will have a more advanced training and also the $70 and you can grab done for you guys over the 6,000 Instagram traffic you can tap into you will save hundreds of hours. You will just for $27. This is also in my opinion. I highly recommend you can grab OTO1 and OTO2 for $70 and $27 and you can tap into how you can make money and how to make money and also and make money online with the Instagram because it's a free of charge Instagram and free of charge traffic you can tap into if you want to if you are lazy enough and also everything is done for you then you can and it's also optional you can profile booster $97 and you can everything is done for you. You will get over 1,000 followers, 200 likes and more so over 15 comment as also in order. This is also they guarantee that it's not a bot post but actual real profile so this is the end of the video so I want to so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also I will have more tips how to make more your online business to take to the next level and I also you could just simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to the sales page. If you are interested in it, you can buy it. You can buy it and take a look the front end. If you are interested in to boost your online business, you can tap into the OTO1. More advanced training. OTO2 you have done for you over the 6,000 Instagram tapping just for $27. So. And also don't forget to check out my other playlist. I also have product review and multiple stream of income and make money on tips and also to help you to increase your side hustle and also don't forget to check out my description below and also I have some training called free training called free webinar you can register and free report you can instantly download so don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you.